Here we have another math CST question. Which type of graph uses symbols to represent quantities? So let's just run through each of these one by one. It looks like I forgot the letters here, so let me just put them in real quick. A, B, C, D. Now, answer choice A is a bar graph. So a bar graph, remember, just something like this, where each bar represents how much of a object each thing is. The higher the bar, the more we have. So yeah, it represents quantities. That's good. But it doesn't use any symbols. It just has bars. So A is not going to be at what we want. B is a line graph. And a line graph, something like this, where it measures what happens over time. Like how much money you have over a certain amount of time. So again, it represents quantity in a way, but there's no symbols being used here. We just have a line. Pictograph is kind of like a bar graph, but we use pictures to represent how much we have. So let's say I want to say how many cookies does Mary have and how many cookies does Sam have. Mary, and each circle will represent 5 cookies. So Mary has 1, 2, 3 cookies. That's 15, right? Because each cookie is 5. And Sam has 1. So that's 5 cookies. So I use pictures to represent my quantity. And pictures are kind of like symbols. So here we have a graph that represents quantities, and we're using symbols. So I think it is answer choice C. Let's look at answer choice D real quick. A circle graph. A circle graph tells you how much percent each thing is. But again, there's no symbols being used here. We just have a circle that's divided into portions. So the answer choice does look like it'll be C. You could think of pictograph similar to like a symbol graph. So it's a type of graph that uses pictures or symbols to represent quantities.